Being a graphic designer can be very challenging. From ideation to execution, it takes time, effort, and creativity to bring a design project to life. But what if I told you there's a tool that can revolutionize your design process and make your life a lot easier? Meet ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model trained by OpenAI. It can understand natural language input and generate human-like responses. You've honestly probably seen people everywhere talking about ChatGPT by now, and there is good reason. But what does that have to do with graphic design, and how can ChatGPT help you as a designer? Well, ChatGPT can help you with anything related to graphic design. Whether you're stuck on a concept, need help with a design technique, or want feedback on your work, ChatGPT can assist you by giving instant feedback on your designs, suggest color schemes, fonts, and layouts, and can provide you with new and fresh ideas to elevate your work. Think of ChatGPT as your virtual design assistant that you have access to 24/7 and don't have to give a paycheck. I have started using ChatGPT to help generate copy in my client brand presentations, and it has helped to cut my time in half and get presentations out to clients faster, allowing me to take on more clients at a time and improve the client experience. I recently had a client project that I just could not decide on a color palette for. I went to ChatGPT and I asked what color palette should I use for an outdoor product business, and it gave me a few ideas. Now, I knew from my strategy session that I had with my client that it was a feminine and easygoing brand, and ChatGPT actually gave me some pretty dark color options, which I guess thinking AI sort of made sense, thinking of an outdoor product industry, that's kind of an industry standard. But dark colors just didn't feel right for this brand based on the strategy. So I took the colors that ChatGPT gave me and then I brightened them up quite a bit to give it a more feminine touch. Now, this is a prime example of using ChatGPT as a supplement but not a sole resource for your decisions. Which leads me to a little disclaimer that I just have to throw in here, which is that you should not be relying solely on any AI resource, including ChatGPT, to make design decisions for you. ChatGPT should only be used as a supplement to your professional design process. And you should be heavily auditing the responses that ChatGPT gives you to ensure that they match with your brand strategy. For example, when I get stuck in a client project and want to use ChatGPT to fuel some ideas on, say, a font, if ChatGPT tells me PT serif, I know that as a designer, that is a pretty basic font and probably not the best option for my client. But I can take a look at the PT serif font, study it, and find certain characteristics that I like, and then find a better, more premium font to use for my client. Essentially, it's a starting point that I can use to supplement my final design decisions. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, ChatGPT can act as your design assistant and help you through the challenges that you face as a graphic designer. If you like this video, make sure to check out this video right here where I use ChatGPT to create a full brand identity. If you watched this far and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you can be notified each time that I upload a new video just like this one. But for now, until the next video, remember to become the brand and